With typical applications of the fourth industrial revolution, such as IoT, big data, and cloud computing, smart factories have become an inevitable trend in new age production. What exactly are smart factories? Smart factories are highly digitally connected and use the Internet of Things and Internet services to communicate with each other. It identifies flaws in the manufacturing process and makes informed decisions at every stage. This practical solution will pay off in the long run by speeding up company automation, improving customer experience, and providing deeper visibility. What makes the smart factory so crucial? It offers faster production, making products more readily available with better quality. If the top 100 European manufacturers use smart factory to eliminate all defects, they could save 160 billion euros in scrapping or reworking defective products, increase productivity, and decrease running costs. Improve decision-making to anticipate, respond, and adjust to market trends. The use of AI in smart factories also brings a number of advantages, including increased productivity, cost management, process optimization, accelerated product cycle development, and enhanced efficiency. So how does AI fit into smart factory and enhance its productivity? With instant access to real-time analyzed data, factory workers can modify production durations or plan equipment upkeep. AI offers mobility and additional information as required to accomplish higher productivity in less time. Simplify the process. Cut down on time-wasting activities and increase output. How can your business benefit from the smart factory? It provides more resource efficiency, improve worker safety, and facilitate worker training. To prove, most smart factories have done a better job during COVID-19 with the flexibility to swiftly bring new products into the production environment as well as retool, retain, and execute faster. Furthermore, smart factories also positively impact sustainability. But how? Simply, it allows more effective use of resources. By eliminating manual chores, simulation software reduces physical waste. We can take automobile collision testing as a practical example. Inter-simulated environments can also be used to evaluate alternative materials for final products with the least environmental effect and forecast the lifespan and durability of various materials. Hence, when used with the proper aim, Smart Factory actively advances sustainability objectives. With these advantages, no wonder the Smart Factory technology global market size is rapidly increasing and will reach $789.9 billion by 2025. AHT Tech, with over 16 years of implementing information technology in production, proud to be your trusted AIoT partner.